Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of another Facebook purchase I made. So let me cut this open and we'll get a quick look at the coin. And there's the coin wrapped in aluminum foil. It's taped to the package, so I'll cut it out of there, get it out of the aluminum foil so we can see it. And there it is. Very nice. Looks to be in very good condition. I'm going to remove it from the capsule so we can get a better look without the reflection from the plastic. Okay, so here we have the coin. And it says Año Hidalgo. This is the bicentennial of Hidalgo's birth. So we have there he was born on May 8th, 1753. And this coin was minted in 1953. So we have Hidalgo, Don Hidalgo y Costilla, who was the father of Mexican independence. And in the background we have the church in Dolores, Hidalgo, where he gave the famous cry of Dolores. And on the other side, we have the Mexican coat of arms. We have the denomination, the purity, and the year of mintage. And then this coin also has edge lettering. So it says commerce, agriculture, and industry. So very nice. That's the coin. Still has a very nice kind of sheen to it. Not in perfect conditions, but it's not bad. So this is 72% silver. And to commemorate the 200th anniversary of his birth, they minted this silver coin and 2 gold medals, not coins, but medals. And I'm going to show you one. I'll give a quick preview, a sneak peek of the gold version. Let me set this down. It's hard to see, but there it is. Now I'm going to do a more in-depth video on both of these coins, or coin and metal, with more information on them. This is just a quick unboxing and a quick sneak peek preview of the gold coin. So here we are, the silver and the gold side by side. There they are. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.